Hello. Hello, Akete Kaza, hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon to our lovely fans of BEYOU Comedy. We live, Akete Mpeninsem. Ujimi. We are back from church, and for Mofanche, you guys forgive us for not coming on live. That is last week Sunday. Yeah, we were busy shooting some series, so we're sorry for that, and God bless you so much. And we are here to thank our wonderful fans for how far they've brought us. I think when I came on live for the past 3 weeks, I've been appealing to our wonderful fans to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We wanted to reach 200,000 followers, and lo and behold, you guys have helped us. My boy, I'm here to 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. That means God bless you. One of our blogs, okay, awesome. Thank you all, BEYOU Comedy to the world. And easy, and work, 200,000 YouTube subscribers. God bless you so much. That means and our friends to our wonderful fans on Facebook too. God bless you. Say my boy, I mean 510,000 followers. God bless you. But your muhu na share oba live na share oba na share. Na misha pa mon share my. Please share. I can say please share. Yeah, please share for us. Mon share na abo for us to share bi. Thank you for joining, guys. Na misha mun na tie na ye na se ne de ma your wonderful fans of BEYOU and Akete Comedy. It's not easy to reach 1,000, 2,000, and 200,000. It shows the big love you guys have for us. Na nyame nso onhua mo no nhye manamu de mahwere you hu bia. God bless you. Oh, nyame onye day onhura mo. Thank you for joining. Boatin Ishmael, nice one. Blessings, bless Akitini. Akete and BEYOU, thank you very much for this morning video. If you are outside too, I see you. Thank you for joining too. Please share for us. We went to church. Lovisha Akron, okay. We went to church. We are just back from church, so we want to have time with our wonderful fans. God bless you people. I'm watching you live from Lebanon, Labon, Accra. I can't mention the name. Yeah. Ben Adongo is watching. Big up Ben for joining. David Ken, thank you for watching. Akete Ayekesi. Akete unzo Ayekesi. Ayekesi. Funa Ayekesi. Musi jadi dia. Esu mi agidi. Ale. Udi sa ale. Kachiro. Mesi say. Mesi mendidi baby. And we sausage ne, you know. So for Ayekesi. Sausage ba. When the kura ubewu didi bazusu didi and new sausage debia sausage of bakers. Thank you. Yeah, Akete reading comment funny. Yeah, Grace agree. Okay, I see you. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Stand firm. God bless you. Emmanuel Boama, you see, and said you can edamu masse easy, because we without you guys we are not there. Enyamuna mo share de bia when enyamuna mo share de bia enka intimi produce videos because nobody's watching, but you guys are there for us and we are there for you guys. Without you we are not there. Thank you very much. We love you guys. We love you too. Okay, Felicia, Dupoko, big ups. Akete Slay Queen. Ghana head in here. Yes. Faustina Boachiwa, who are you? We are BEYOU Comedy. Akete Mpeninsem is here, and this Uncle BEYOU, the trending comedy team right now at the moment. Yeah, let me show you. Coming to the world. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, please share. Joseph Owusu, Josephine Owusu, good afternoon, dear. You see, If see you, we see you. Thank you. Please share. Share for us. Share for us. Okay. You can ask us any question. We're willing to answer you guys. Yeah, we are here for you. We are here for you. Akete make fine. Yeah, Namiadum. Akete one FP. I'm so one FP. Give them a kiss. Yeah. See my smart girl. Yeah, you guys looking beautiful. Thank you very much, Frank. I see you. Yeah, Adiza. Please share for us. Okay, share for us. Yeah, today is Sunday. Yeah, and we'll be shooting videos today. So and you have content, but we are here for you guys. Yeah. Akete Mpeninsem. The journey was not easy. And you're easy, but you drew. Now you 200k subscribers and you're easy. So don't kind. Now you show me na. Unshamo for your subscription. Oh, share my keke crown. Na me unshao. We go man sha. You never been to Akete school. But what you say? Intimate mum cause na unshare my. God bless you so much. Yeah. God bless you too for entertaining us. Just who's big ups. Can I be your manager? Pound sterling. Wow, really? I have a manager already. Okay, you have a manager. So thank you very much for your good mind. Nice to see you too, Agnes. Joanne, thanks for coming. Please share. Akete, you eat pizza. I must wear the pizza now. Now when I go to the pizza. Tambe. About 12.
No. Say
Yeah. BEYOU comedy new year.
Where comedy?
Any comedy. You Ghana for kasa. Your fancy na kasa. And not forgetting, on the 8th of September is my birthday. Uncle B's birthday. 8th of September. Save the date. Please save the date. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, to me.
Happy birthday
to me. Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Easy. I get the guy with that. I'll be at on 8th of September. Why? Yeah. So save the date. 8th September is Uncle B's birthday. Thank you very much, Sarah Imano. We are doing a good job. Thank you.
No birthday. Birthday no.
And I'll be celebrating. Yeah, I'll be celebrating my birthday with the less privileged at the roadside of Kumasi. Like many, in can say, Oma Omuni be no best celebrating birthday way at the street of Kumasi. I think say we share a coin once. You can see people are there in need of something, and I'm wishing to let's say share my blessings to them by celebrating the birthday with the street orchestra at Kumasi. You are all invited to support BEYOU doing this massive thing for the street orchestra at Kumasi on my birthday. That is on the 8th of September 2021. Big ups to you guys. Thank you very much. Save the date, 8 September. Let me shout. Moses, may the Lord Almighty answer all your prayers. Thank you. Amen. My husband, I like your videos a lot. It was through him I got to know about you too. Good job. Okay. Mafia Austin. Okay, but how old is Akete? Akete, how old are you?
4 years.
Yes. Old now. She is 4 years old now. He is 4 years old now. He's 4 years old now. I can tell you 4 years in Pacho. Angel babe, I see you. Hi, hello. How are you? Mr. and Mrs. BEYOU. Oh, Akete Mpeninsem.
What's up?
Happy birthday. God bless you. Emode.
No.
Emo shakala. Shakala. Pacho, you drop a new video on YouTube. BEYOU, I'm crashing on you. Are you married? Oh, I'm not married. Bapa Akusia Brempong. Thank you for the love. God bless you. Okay. Let me shout out Bapa. Big ups. Yeah, hi, I love you, Pa. Felicia, we love you too. Happy birthday to you. In advance, Samuel, thank you. On the 8th, I'll be waiting for your wishes and your gifts. Anything you want to surprise BU with on my birthday, you are always welcome. You are always welcome. Anything. You can join us. You can join us so we have a chat. You can join us, okay? You can join us, please. You can join us on our chats. Yeah, no makasa. Okay, I think 2 people want to join. Approve. So you can come online. We will chat. We talk. Okay. God bless you. I'm adding up. Nice one. What saying? Yeah, I see you. I see you. Oh, Epacho. Mo adi apa. Mo nyina so na yene mo nkasa why. Don't be shy. We are there for you guys. Without you guys, you are not there. Don't be shy, please. Okay. Thank you. To GH. Okay, you can join us. I'm adding you guys. Mabel. Thank you, Mabel, for the wish. I'm not seeing Akete. Akete, I'm also moving. So now. Also, we teacher. I'm also moving to be nice. But you say, huh? I'm sorry. Say, put down. Say, put down. Yes. Yes. I think you see Akete now. Yeah. I salute you. I salute you too. Constance, thank you for joining. Please share. I like you guys. You're doing a good job. Yes. Mana kan jangan. Mana kan? Oh, strong kan cem. Senda kun strong kan cem hai zie. Opon kan cem yang hari. Kau bung says. I shake off it. I told you and your small girl to be my friend, but you don't. Oh, Elizabeth. Eliza, you are your friends already, okay? Elizabeth. Oh, sorry. Lucky Mimi want to join us. Akete Mpeninsem.
Akete Mpeninsem. Akete today.
I'm fine.
Akete. Say.
I'm fine.
He said he's fine.
Oh, Kasanamba. Akete Mpeninsem.
Mama, good afternoon.
What to say?
I'm here doing your pa now.
Me traffic kuweta ya mi shakiti pa. Mami nije.
Oh. Na mi kan bajo ka se friend ba.
What say?
Bajo ka se friend. Kuwait, okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I mean, sharp.
Shakiti yena shani suye mami why?
Bajo, you go so. Na me ti yeah. Yeah, that's a pass so.
Nani oye ni sofa. Oji yeni wo Facebook ni YouTube.
Social media.
Ni shani suye pa why?
Me bajo mama.
Nyame acha wadie pa nti so ni mu yi. Why?
Bajo mate. Na me sharp, mama.
Bye. Yakiti.
Hello. Yeah, you are looking great with Akete. Happy birthday in advance. Thank you, Charles. Big ups to you. I see you. I love you. Thank you so much, Janet. I see you. Akete, you're welcome. Mwah. We love you too. Akete and BU, may God bless you for your wonderful work to the Mother Ghana and the world. Big ups to you. Lucky Mimi. How are you? Channel BEYOU Comedy. Lucky Mimi, I'm adding you, okay? I love you more, Akete. Akete. That's what I said. Oh, guess this guy. Thank you for joining. Please join. Okay. Akete, we are come to dance for you guys. Yeah. Connection.
Akete Mpeninsem.
So you know,
Akete Wofa so.
Easy. Say hi. Hi.
Akete Wofa. You show. You lockdown one. What do you do?
Oh, wow.
Straight away
Wow.
from Japan.
Wow.
Akete,
Thank you.
Akete, what the baby? Bro, more respect.
Okay, senior. Thank you very much.
Okay. Akete, bye.
Bye. You can join us, okay? You can join us. I think our lovely fans are loving our good works, which ginger us to do more works. Just watch out for more good works coming. Just watch out. Watch out. More than one entirety. The creativity behind us now is never dropping, and we are never stopping. Consistency is our secret, and the creativity is our secret. So we are working harder to entertain you guys out there and in here. God bless you for watching us. Thank you for calling. Hello, BU. I need your Baba Why. Nana Boateng. Okay, Dada Cash. Hello, BU. I need to okay. Dada Cash, Nana Boateng is located at Ahenema Kokobein. New site junction. What do you do this junction on the just boy a taxi or car. Tell them say Ube siwo I'm fear. You see what I'm fear. I just ask for Nana Boateng Barber Salon. Ubi Abecho. He's the best barber in Kokop. Let's say in Kumasi. On a man, have to say. Thank you. Thank God for another day. Big ups. Thank you. Lucky me, I want to add you up, but I think the network is messing up. Yeah. You can join us, please. You can join us. I like you, Akete. I like you too. Hello. Let me take this opportunity to advise our wonderful fans and also upcoming artists. Make sure more. Okay, in fact, you take good care of her because we know she's us. Okay, thank you very much, Nana, your friend Paul Manson. I'm taking good care of Akete and for you guys, no, I will never, let's say, do something bad just to let this girl. The love I have for this girl is massive. Yeah, it's very, very massive. You understand? Yeah, I'm proud of Akete and BU. You're back from Qatar. I see you, Malam Tijani. Oh, okay. Thank you. Let me use this opportunity to advise some upcoming artists. All upcoming artists are BEYOU comedy fan. Mamu who say if I be yeah, but no, you struggle, so they must struggle now. I've been in this industry since 2013. Yeah, this industry for 2013, way back. SHS, and I'm a Shazi. I can see how far I'm do in the year 2021 because any easy, you're breathing. Na adibi a woyɛ bia no ɛmfa ne sɛ ahyɛseɛ na bɛyɛ dɛ ɛbɛfa ama wo dabi adwumaden na wobɛyɛ no deɛ woyɛ gu hɔ no ɛno ɛna ɛbɛ detect ama sɛ you hit this far anaasɛ wonduru hɔ anaa waduru hɔ so the bɛtumi aka ne sɛ just work hard, be more creative. Now say Junior, I see you, Charlie. You didn't take Akete to the church. Oh, sorry. And I say, oh no. Hey, my child, you're bad for how. And I say, oh, in this other American, you want to marry Akete Musa, please. Akete Yandro, with my child, why? Akete Yandro. In this other American, let me just advise you. But the Munya never rush in life. Just relax. Okay, because remember me SHS Krano. I be you have been watching my interviews. My year Juma Dane Pain Juma a brand here. Messi so at the age, my younger age, Juma me me catch your kind of show. But you for say till now. Yeah, and but Abembona nye day amba because I knew what we like I wanted. And then I'm 2020 will be so. I'm saying the kind of work you guys are doing. And to the meet my can say never give up on your dreams. Just work hard. Remember any day. Emre pa. And I feel so my wife when you fine when you home. My wife in your day and you fine when you home. Never think bad. Don't think bad about Obi say or the Juma air koso air day. Esenewo dabi. Now you find a Juma na oye no. Chashin cry say a Juma na oye na air kama. Yami for social. But when you be one boni wo chima, adia oye no. Unko when because obi wadin boni ye dey would trim. If I watch it, Nanya suffer, but to my experience, I make up. To my experience, if you are so one hour to be into your bonnie, be into your bonnet. Just be mind free, bro. How do you advert your YouTube channel? Boy, my cabana, the meeting my can say YouTube channel, no, to advertise yourself, no, it's being creative. Maybe you'll be story, be creative and be consistent. You understand? Say we probably release videos, release more videos. And you know, 1, 2, 3, that will not help. Just be consistent on YouTube and be creative. Let your stories be creative. Thank you very much. Akete, don't sleep. Oh, Akete is sleeping. Hey, what? Shakara, shakara. Shakara, shakara. No one can buy. Hey. And shakara, shakara. Hey. Let me sing. More passing now. More passing now. Akete, look. I pray every day for money, yeah. I think we get so we move on. I come in, I'm in grace. Come on, I say. Easy we will come. I've got to get see me that. That's why I pray every day. Money, 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 and you want it, yeah, joy, yes, you got. That's why I pray every day. See, I join them, yes, you go. That's why I pray every day. I join them, yes, you got. That's why I pray every day. I join them, yes, you go. That's why I pray every day. Monday to Friday, I want some. Saturday, Sunday, so daddy, I want church. Only me go to shop for Yamie. What's a mania, Jamie, yes, Ejo Yamie, Yesika. Love you, I pray every day. Ejo Yamie, yes, I pray every day. Yeah, love you, I pray every day. See, Ejo Yamie, yes, I pray every day. Street boy, me have no chair, road boy. Me don't me one yet. Me are the cocoa, no noise. Miss a landing beat. Don't even want me. Yes, you will speak. You will see a woman repeat. You will see a woman repeat. Now, I say, many boys, yes, yeah. We love you too. Thank you for joining. Please share. Let me check. I'm taking good care of Akete. Don't worry, okay? Like your circle, sir. I'm riding on. Sorry, fantastic. Vegas, maybe I see you. Akete, why are you sleeping? Please don't sleep. Oh, be you. I'm chatting you on WhatsApp, but you don't reply. Oh, sorry, okay. Just DM us, okay? Where's the present? Everybody stamina. We see no so embrace. Me I know they are branded. Be you. Because you were landed. But we saw the Akete. No water. Boom. So flavor me hyphen. It's the Jonia me. Yes, you can. That be why I pray every day. See Jonia me. Yes, you do. That be why I pray every day. Jonia me. Yes, you can. That be why I pray every day. That be why what's that? Monday to Friday, I want some. Saturday, Sunday, so daddy, I want church. Only me go to so for Yamie. What's a mania, Jamie? Yes, ga. Daddy, I pray every day. It's a John Yamie. Oba me, yes, go. Daddy, I pray every day. Me, yes, go. Ejo Yamie. Right, sure. See ya so. I can do it. Okay. Thank you. Be you good? Okay. This track is called My Prayer. My Prayer. Bomisoke. BOMESOKE. Featuring BU and Kosimario. My Prayer. You can search on Audio Mark and on YouTube too. You're gonna find a full video on YouTube. And the Audio Mark is the main audio slide. That is My Prayer. Just said BEYOU and Bomisoki Kosimario. My Prayer. Me Unshamo. Akete Besau. Chakara chakara. Okay. Let's go. I pray every day. Money, 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 I want. This yes. Oh, good performance, Emilia. Thank you. Reverend J. Cordia from Techiman. Thank you very much, Akete. Thank you too. This music is called Shakara Shakara. Chinchilla Time featuring Rap Father. Shakara Shakara. Chinchilla Time featuring Rap Father. It's called Shakara Shakara. Yeah, very nice track. Thank you guys for joining. Please share for us. I'm putting. Oh, God bless you, Akete and Uncle. Solomon, God bless you too. Wow, I love that. God bless you too. Uncle. Hey, Rita, we didn't even right. Swanipa watching. Swanipa, see you. I see you. Oh, join us. Please share for us, okay? Of course, I'm join, but your views. I'm out of you guys, okay? Just be online. I guess it doesn't work. Akete be kuma se o. I said on the first.
Me
Oh boy.
almost
Me like it's on the first. You are blessed, guys. Me like it's on the first, but I'm on come. Pablo, let them mommy ready. I'm in my home. Me like it's on the first. I'm de bamba me when Pablo the first. Why? The first I made a pizza. Why? Ah, Pablo. Ah, Mable. You can join us. You can join us.
got to myself. I want to. Got to myself one.
Open TikTok.
Almost
We have TikTok already, please. Yes.
Almost
Boy. Hey, we see Akete. Mpeninsem. Enjoy there. They be Akete. Mpeninsem. Nice. Akete 1 or 2. Akete 3. Akete you do or Akete. You a fans where you. I saw them force you. They must have a party. Maybe have a woo. Maybe. Ah, maybe. Me. Unimintia. Please join us. Akete almost. Akete champion be you. Jonathan, hey, Fatilo, my guy. Fatilo, I see you. Akete me that one. That's my schoolmate. That's my old schoolmate. Way back, Jamaica Kente Senior High School. Fatilo, yeah. A very best sports presenter and a commentator. Charlie Fatilo, I mean, sure. God bless you. God bless your work you are doing. I mean, sure. On found do baby. When need that episode, do on found crown. Tell baby, I better you could do no. Big ups to you. You have been supporting me way back from SHS till now. You still they support the brand BEYOU Comedy. Big ups, bro. Much love, Fatilo. I see you. Sure. Baby girl, how are you doing? You doing great? Akete chop first. Enti. Akete ngwa. Oh, I see you. Your boy BEYOU menya 3. Justina J. BEYOU menya Akete menya 4. Who's one 4? 4. Akete 5. 5. Let me sit down. Jerry Hassan. Akete 1. Insha BEYOU. She's Akete 5. You are too much, Akete. Akete 6. Akete is first. Akete 7. My fans know where you movie me. Thank you for watching. Please share for us. Akete you do all. And I can. Majatu. Okay, Ebatunu. Akete. Enko. To ask him children. Enko. Ask him.
My name.
Zabitunu no. Enko. Ask him. Ask him. Yeah, Dambo. Okay, I'm go. Action. Adumo.
Ya dum tina me trafie. Ya wadum tina me wo. Jesus my praise. Jesus my. Adum wadum.
Bakudi.
Papa no unim no oya belu.
Akete benyasem. Akete misra wo benyasem on life. Papa no pay. Papa di bem mo ba di bini. Yenya di no gbe ba bi we di bem ho asem. Ye be free bo misra wo. Ele mama so to me di enchire mo. A very inspirational song to every young hustler. It's called Boko. Slow motion is better than no motion. What do you say?
Boko.
Enko. See ya putire. Pampai bo. Yajuma den. Koko wanim. Na ebeye ye. Boko sami si ebedru. Boko sami si ebedru. Boko sami si ubedru. We go make target. Boko sami si ubedru. Boko sami si ebedru. Boko sami si ubedru. We go see abutire. Pampai bo. Yajuma den. Koko wanim. Na ebe ye. Anyway.
The guinea cat.
And the media. Bomb so kidia. Na. Deliver. Mommy so my love for you no be bad. Dem. I'm going to yeah. Get it. Okay.
I feel voice and speech. Your voice and speech.
Okay. Akete ma blame go tell me. Abre. What do you say? For now 4 years, me what age ya Akete me go be bia na abre. You sing yours.
One day.
Ma to me there.
I say my one day.
Akete mo so hawe no. Da here nya ka.
Me say.
My bro. Be you. One way dancing. Akete. Didn't say my master about go very day. Be say we can why. Be say we can no. Please one share my one share. But you can join us too. Okay, come on. Thank you. Spend the love. Akete ya dey on. Also ya dey. Be aso ya dey. Say I love you all, can?
I love you all.
Can I say?
I love you all.
Akete say love you all. I love you all. BEYOU Comedy today. BEYOU Comedy today.
What?
Keep on supporting the brand. Okay.
Yeah.
Catch it up.
Sometimes I would to be. What does it?
One. Nobody. Are they?
Chicken laka.
Review. What should I hold to? Chicken laka. Okay.
No, I made it. I get the feeling.
You get it, eh?
Feeling.
And we get the feelings.
Yes.
Well, thank you, Ghana. Thank you, the world. Thank you, BEYOU Comedy fans across the world. Baby, I will hear we shall be. You don't like go to church. Oh, Janet, sorry, I don't know. I'm a man, some patron. No, sorry, Janet, Mr. I must have a picture with Akete. And Jessica, you are always welcome. Okay, anytime you see us, you can call us. We are there for you 24/7. Come over, we snap and pick. Okay, I love you, my girl. Okay, fine boy, BEYOU. I see you. I see when it's to go. See you. Big ups to you, Charlie. You're fast. I can't wait so because the time is almost up. Oh, you'll be leaving very soon. Sanitize and buying some. Akete. This is what sanitize. That's what was it. Also, better one CD. One CD in why. Please share for us. Love you too. Joseph. Pia Senior, Akete Slay Queen. Rosie Rose. Oh, I'm joining them. But anyway, thank you for joining. Please share for us. Yeah, thank you. Share for us, please. You believe in very soon? We're going very, very soon. Yeah. Yeah, don't you say for joining us. It will be us. On your time we edit the live video. I mean, Uncle Sunshine. Thank you very much for watching us. Never saw we so and share your fans nina. Your fans nina. Say what Ghana, say what Qatar, or Italy. Your baby. You comedy to the world, so baby. Yeah, I knew how I. You will cook. You will cook America. America. Kumasi will say, the battery is the loss. Yeah, Nanaji. The battery is the Lord.
The battery is the Lord.
Battery, babe.
Battery.
The battery is the Lord. Yeah. Thank you, our fans. I've been a old student of Mpeninsem Senior High School, 2014 batch. KG Fatilo, JT. Osei, Gaga, I see you. Manonyako, I see you. All Mpeninsem Senior High School, former mates, 2014 batch. I feel my town, baby, I free, where I was raised and born. Kokobeng, America, all my fans. Akokobeng, Nami Unsho Mina, Nami Shakobeng for supporting the band. And thanks BEYOU Comedy team. Boniface Asabre, Bonnie, I see you. Skido, Michael, I see you. Skido, Losam, I see you. Bomisoki, big ups to you. Cosimario, big ups to you. Keep on supporting the brand BEYOU Comedy. Nami Shamina for supporting. Akete, I'll come to Ghana next year. I hope I'll see you. Janet, you're always welcome. You're always welcome.
Myself. My name is Wendy Yenemi.
I am 4 years old.
I am 4.
My prayer, young Rick, my prayer song is not for me. The originator, that is the Enediano, is Bomisok. I was just featured on the track. Bomisok is the owner of the track, but I was just featured on the track. Yeah, I just help him to blow. Yeah. I like you, Rolf. I like you too. God bless you. God bless you too. Nice one, so beautiful. So, thank you so much. So, I feel for I see you. My BEYOU Comedy team, I see you. Akusi Allen, I see you. I'm Shamina for the love you have for BEYOU Comedy. Big ups to you. God bless you so much. Akete, where is your phone? Coming live on YouTube.
My phone is house.
It's in the house. Okay. We have dropped a new video on YouTube at BEYOU Comedy. And I just Remo, our Instagram page have been hacked by some fraudsters. Our Instagram page have been hacked by some fraudsters we never knew. Our new Instagram name is BEYOU_comedy_official. BEYOU Comedy Official. Yes, I'm follow him. My subscription and I followers are only. At first, there were almost 13K, that is 13,000 plus followers on Instagram. But Nipaboniphobia, hacky account. They've steal the account and deleted everything from our account. Until almost suddenly totally they've hacked it. She said, I think there were almost 100 plus followers, which is not great for BEYOU Comedy brand. Share more. All our fans on Facebook and on YouTube, please just brush through our Instagram page and please follow us. The name is BEYOU_comedy_official. BEYOU Comedy Official. BEYOU have not been feeding our WhatsApp group anymore. I'm sorry, that phone I just lost that phone. So I've lost, that contacts have been lost, so I don't get access to my own WhatsApp group. But I'll be creating a WhatsApp group right now, which I'll post the link here so you guys can join. Yeah, you join. So we sent videos and the links for you guys. So make sure I said you can Instagram page if mature. Follow my follow Instagram page Instagram BEYOU Comedy Official. your hacky account, you know. So our new channel on Instagram is BEYOU Comedy Official, BEYOU_comedy_official. Na me sure mo. If I can use watch ya, Akete Mpeninsem mame. Matuda yinimi. If I say can use so, actually Akete Mpeninsem papa. Benjamin Yinimi, big ups to my mom, Olivia Donko, big ups to my dad, Michelle, Richard Donko, my sisters, Ivy, Frema, Sister Dinah, Germany, Dosia, Mama Dosia, Coco Ben, I see you. Sister Dinah, Germany, I see you. Abigail, Claudia, big ups to you guys. Black Benny Misty, I see you guys. Keep on supporting your bro and my niece, Nami Unshamopa. We love you all. Be committed to the world. Thank you for the 200,000 subscribers on YouTube and 510,000 followers on Facebook. Don't forget, let's save the date. 8th September is my birthday. 8th of September is my birthday. Let's save the dates. Save the dates. All your wishes and any gift you wish to give to BEYOU is accepted. Thank you very much. Let me just answer some questions. I like your comment, but please, where is your location? You are located at Ainamako Kobe, Kumase, Comerica to the world. Yeah. But you'll be Biara. Now, me, Unshuamo, Mama Mavis, Mirenfield, Mama Mavis, USA, Daddy Yao, USA, and Mama Mebakope, Mama Mavis, Italy. I mean, Unshuao. I think I posted some picture because I donation if you want to come there in your numbers to support. Mama Mavis is willing to help. Mama Mavis or boy or the Jumedi person acquire no so. And Name own shroud. Janet Yabua Mabu D. Mama Mavis, Mama Bacope, Nami shroud, name that. But what I said, Bibia, what you are doing for us is very massive. Mama Francisca, Mama Felicia, and also Mama Tess. Big ups to you. Mama Nyakon, thank you for calling the other day for wishing me. Name Unshuao, BEYOU, all the way. Swazi GH, I see you. Big ups to you. Thank you for joining. So thank you, 1, 2, we love you all. Akete. BEYOU Comedy to the world. Akete Mpeninsem.
What's
Jai.
No, who am I?
Akete, on your day. Adai.
I get the feelings.
You get a day.
Feelings.
Bye. Mwah. Thank you for joining. Nana Jessica Pat, just like the Instagram page fans. Let's all move. BEYOU Comedy Official on YouTube. One kobo. BEYOU Comedy on YouTube. YouTube is BEYOU Comedy. Instagram BEYOU_comedy_official. BEYOU Comedy Official on Instagram. Facebook, as you know, BEYOU Comedy. Akete Mpeninsem page and Kasaya. Akete Mpeninsem Official. Akete Mpeninsem Official on Facebook. Let's all follow up. Thank you very much. BEYOU Comedy to the world. Mwah. We love you, one. Bye.